Who doesn't like free stuff? Well, those who are interested in cryptocurrency can also get free stuff. Customers can get free cryptocurrency from a number of websites, and all it takes to get started is a little bit of initiative. Because crypto prices tend to go up and down, you may get more than you expected. Some sites may also offer cash or non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that can be turned into crypto. Here's how and what to look for to get free cryptocurrency for visiting websites. But first, click the bell button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sign up with an exchange. If you sign up as a client, many crypto exchanges will put some crypto in your wallet, just as brokerages will give you cash if you sign up as a client. You might want to choose the best one, but it might be worth your time to get them all. The good news is that this is one of the safest ways to get free coins, but you'll have to put some up yourself. Some of the exchanges that give away free cryptocurrency are Middle.Coinbase, Middle.Gemini, Middle.BlockFi, Middle.Celsius, Middle.Crypto.com. Other exchanges will sometimes add promotions or time-limited bonuses, so keep an eye out for these extra chances. 2. Crypto staking. By staking your cryptocurrency, you can get a steady stream of income, which can be helpful if you're a long-term investor or just want to build up your coins. The rewards for each coin are different, but those for coins that are more likely to go up in value tend to be higher. Some cryptocurrencies use a protocol called proof of stake to verify and run their decentralized system. This means that people who own the digital currency can become a validator and make money by staking their coins. You'll help the infrastructure, get to keep your coin, and even make some money at the same time. Free NFTs. A non-fungible token, or NFT, is a type of digital asset or work of art that can't be traded. In recent years, NFTs have become very popular. Technically, NFTs are not cryptocurrencies, but they can be quickly traded for cryptocurrencies. So how do you get NFTs for free to begin with? There are also prizes for those. If you want to find NFTs, you can do so in a few good ways. First, many new crypto projects give NFTs to their most loyal backers as a kind of invite bonus. You could follow a new cryptocurrency on its Discord channel in the hopes of getting a bonus for bringing the most people to the channel. Another option is to check Twitter often for free NFTs, which may be given away in exchange for retweeting and spreading the word about the project. You could have a chance to win an NFT if you retweet something. Of course, giving away NFTs can cause tax problems, so keep that in mind. Learn and earn. Some websites let you learn about cryptocurrency and make a little bit of it at the same time. To get the bonus, you might have to watch some videos and pass a short quiz. One site that gives rewards for learning about crypto is Coinbase Earn. Other sites, like CoinMarketCap.com, also let you get free rewards for learning about crypto. The problem with these learn and earn deals is that you might not always get the cryptocurrency you want. Crypto savings account. Want to combine cryptocurrency with an easy way to earn interest? With a crypto savings account, you can earn interest on your crypto holdings while still waiting for them to go up in value. And the interest rates you get at first can be a lot better than what you get with a regular bank account. The tiered rate structure of BlockFi's savings account is one choice here. So, the more money you put in, the lower your interest rate will be. High-flying coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum might give you a return of a few percent a year, but stable coins might give you a return that is several percent higher, making them a better place to keep your money. Crypto lending. Step up your cryptocurrency game by lending money to people who need it and earning interest on the deal. It's called decentralized finance, or DeFi, and you can make money through peer-to-peer lending with the help of digital currency and decentralized apps. No matter which lending platform or currency you use, you should make sure that the person who wants to borrow money from you can pay it back. To help lower the risk, it may also make sense to fund a lot of smaller loans or to fund them with other lenders. But if you go this route, it's important to work with a platform that's been around for a while. Get cash from a brokerage. Even some of the old school brokerages have sales from time to time. Most of the time, though, these bonuses are paid out in US dollars, but they can be changed into cryptocurrency right away on the platform. Does that go too far with the main idea of this video? Maybe, but you'll still end up with cryptocurrency in your wallet. eToro is a good place to start. In the US, it's a crypto exchange, but in other places, it's a traditional broker. If your friend signs up and makes a deposit, the broker will give you and your friend a bonus. TradeStation and other traditional brokers that offer trading in cryptocurrencies may also run promotions from time to time. Then just exchange cash for cryptocurrency. Participate in an airdrop. The creators of a new cryptocurrency might do an airdrop, or give away some of their new coin, to get people excited about it and make more people aware of it. To get new coins, you may have to do a few things, like follow the crypto project on social media, track it on a Discord channel, or support the project in some other way. But it's important to know that many airdrops are scams, and even if you get some coins, they may not be worth anything. This lack of value may be good for your taxes, since you won't owe much or any taxes, but it doesn't help you get richer. Crypto credit cards. If you already have cash-back credit cards, it can be easy to switch to crypto rewards cards and get crypto in exchange for your purchases. When you use these credit cards to buy things, you might get Bitcoin or other popular altcoins as a reward. And there may be other bonuses for spending as well. Credit cards from BlockFi and Gemini are two of the most popular choices here. Obviously, these cards have the same restrictions as other credit cards. Don't run up a big credit card bill to get rewards that aren't that great. Take surveys. It sounds a bit like an old internet game with a new twist. Fill out a survey and get some money. But this time, the money is digital currency. And you can do that on some sites these days. Freecash is one of these sites, and every day it has paid surveys, games, and other offers. You can get paid in cryptocurrency, but you can also get paid in dollars or gift cards. Even though the site has a lot of bells and whistles, you can still get free cryptocurrency from it. Browse the web. Looking for a cryptocurrency you can earn by surfing the web? You might like the Brave browser. As long as the Brave Rewards program is turned on and you use the browser, you will earn basic attention tokens. Brave blocks most ads and cookies, but you can still see some ads if you trade cryptocurrency for them. Most countries can use the program, and the company says that users get 70% of the money it makes from ads. The money is given out once a month. Since you're going to do it anyway, it might make sense to get paid for it. Watch out for scams. There are already a lot of scams in the world of cryptocurrency, and stories about them have been around for years. Even worse things can happen in the world of free stuff. That's because con artists love to take advantage of people who want a free sample of the next big thing. So, if you want to find free cryptocurrency, it pays to be careful. Some crypto scams, like airdrops or initial coin offerings, ICOs, are likely to be full-on frauds. Stay away from any promotion that wants your login information or the private keys to your cryptocurrency wallet. ICOs, on the other hand, may ask you to trade your real coins for a questionable coin. As usual, if it sounds too good to be true that something is free, it probably is. Bottom line. If you want to get free cryptocurrency, you can do a number of things, from the usual suspects like freebies at brokerages and exchanges to the unusual, like airdrops and surveys. As you try out your free options, make sure you're working with a reputable partner. If you don't, your cryptocurrency may end up going to them for free. That's all we have for today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Subscribe our channel for more crypto-related videos. And press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.